Lucy. I tell you, she is relentless. Give me that. Give me that. Oh. Ah! Ow! Uh-oh. You make me drop that phone. Oh, don't you blame me for dropping your phone. Oh, she says I will kick your butt. Oh, oh, oh. You're mean, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Oh, oh. Ow. Mean. You're mean. Oh, you remind me of Maxwell. Is he your daddy? He was black too. He was a black kitty cat too. He was mean. Oh, Lucy. Go over there. Go over there. I'm going to get you good, Lucy. Go on over there. Go over there. Go on. Hey! Oh, Lucy. Missed that, didn't you? Oh, Lucy, get over there. Lucy, sit down. Lucy. Oh, look at my arm now. I told you she was mean. Lucy, you're making me bleed. That's what you get, Lucy. She is relentless. I didn't know she'd make me bleed like that. Don't you do it, Lucy. Don't you do it. Hey! Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you a cat or a mouse? Huh? Lucy, don't you make me bleed again, Lucy. Look at that. Oh, you're mean. You're mean to Mom, Lucy. You're mean. You're mean. Why are you being mean? Huh? Why? Ow! Oh, don't pinch your cheek. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, don't you do it, don't you? Oh, Lucy. You remind me of Maxwell. He said, don't do it, Maxwell. And he jumped up on the camera at her. He got her good. Oh, you made me bleed.